Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be what I eat in a day. So as you can see, I made some oatmeal with blueberries and peanut butter. I love eating this every morning, honestly. I'm planning to go to the gym in a bit, so I need some good carbs to fuel my workout. That's still hot, but I am gonna give myself some time to get a little ready to go to the gym and for this coffee to kind of cool down. That's how I like to start my morning. So I will see you guys when I eat lunch. Hey guys, so I just got back from the gym. I had a leg day and I did some abs, but I'm just gonna chug down this Premier Protein strawberry flavored strawberries and cream. I usually get the peaches and cream one, but they were out. I'm so ready to eat, but I feel so disgusting right now, so I'm just gonna chug this down, take a shower, and then I'm gonna eat. All right guys, so I just showered, I got ready, and now I'm gonna eat. So I like to kind of meal prep a little bit. So last night I made some pasta fresca. There's another container. I usually eat these for like 2 to 3 days. I'm set. So I'm just gonna heat this up, put some cheese on it, and that's my lunch for the day. Living alone has just made me realize how expensive groceries can be, so that's why I like to meal prep and just kind of plan out my week like that so I can kind of budget my meals. So highly recommend you guys doing that if you're living on your own. And I haven't been drinking enough water, so I've been setting these reminders on my phone to drink more water. So if you're watching this, hydrate. Okay, so it smells so good. I'm just gonna sprinkle some Parmesan cheese and let that melt in here. This is super realistic. Like, I'm not eating super healthy every day. I mean, I try to, but right now it's just whatever. But I definitely do need to eat more protein, especially for my goals, like my fitness goals, you know. But there it is. So in this pasta fresca, I put chicken, Roma tomatoes, and red onions in it, and it's so good. I just got the recipe off Google, so here you go. I'm just gonna finish this and then I will see you guys either for dinner or when I'm snacking, because I do like to snack. So it is 4 right now and I've been having a productive day. I'm doing laundry and I'm now like starting my Google Calendar for school, writing out deadlines and stuff and looking for textbooks. I'm getting super hungry. I love snacking on carrots and hummus, and then I have a ton of blueberries left, so I want to eat them before they go bad. So I'm just gonna eat this and finish up on my Mac right here. Okay, so I am gonna start making dinner. I'm gonna boil some eggs for the salad. I'm gonna boil 3 eggs.